right. Here we are on the harbor, watching the tourist world go by. Don't get me wrong, I have a love-hate relationship with my tourists. They keep me employed, they keep everyone here employed. But I don't know if you can see the bridge traffic from here, but that is why I choose to be on the water. But here's what I wanted to show you. Let's take a walk over here. And here we are, the emerald green waters of the incoming tide in Destin. The Gulf of Mexico is right behind me. This is one of the few swim holes along the break here. This whole area here is to be finished off as a park. Here are the new rules of engagement. And what I love is overhead, the sound of freedom. This is an F-22. There go a couple F-35s. And we're back. We're back to home base. And this is where I like to hang out here. Just a great place to come. You get great variety. If you want to go see Crab Island, just go under the bridge over there where all those cars are parked and nobody's driving. That's what it is. See ya.